Welcome to the lecture session. Today I am going to discuss about tutorial. Given that f of z is x cube of 1 plus I minus y cube of 1 minus I divided by x square plus y square if z not equals to 0 and it is 0 when xz is equals to 0. Show that f of z satisfies the CR equations at the origin. Given f of z is 0, which implies u of 0 comma 0 is 0, it is v of 0 comma 0. This implies ux is equals to vx and uy is equals to vy, that is all are 0, which implies f of z is 0 when z is 0 is analytic at the origin. Let f of z equals to x cube times of 1 plus I minus y cube times of 1 minus I divided by x square plus y square if z not equals to 0 at the origin, which implies f of z is indeterminate, that is 0 by 0 form, which implies ux vx uy vy also indeterminate. Let f of z is x cube minus y cube by x square plus y square and plus x cube minus y cube by x square plus y square into I, where u is the real part and v is the imaginary part. Now ux is given by limit delta x tends to 0 of u of x plus delta x y minus u of x y divided by delta x, and ux of 0 comma 0 is limit delta x tends to 0 of u of delta x comma 0 minus u of 0 0 divided by delta x, that is limit delta x tends to 0 of delta x whole cube by delta x whole square minus 0 by delta x, that is ux is 1. Uy limit delta y tends to 0 of u of x comma y plus delta y minus u of xy by delta y. Uy of 0 comma 0 of limit delta y tends to 0 of u of 0 comma delta y minus u of 0 0 by delta y, that is limit delta y tends to 0 of minus delta y whole cube by delta y whole square minus 0 by delta y. So we get it as minus 1. Next let's find out what is Vx. So Vx is given by limit delta x tends to 0 v of x plus delta x minus v of xy by delta x, and limit delta x tends to 0 of v of delta x 0 minus v of 0 0 by delta x, which on substitution we get delta x whole cube by delta x square minus 0 by delta x, that gives us 1. Let's find Vy now, where delta y tends to 0 v of x comma del y plus delta y minus v of x comma y by delta y, that gives us v of 0 comma delta y minus v of 0 0 by delta y, or delta y whole cube by delta y whole square minus 0 by delta y, that gives us Vy is equals to 1. Now let us compare. So ux is equals to Vy because both are 1, and Vx is equals to minus uy. That means the CR equations are satisfied at the origin. Determine the analytic function where real part is y plus e power x cos y, given u is y plus e power cos y, because it is a real part, so we are assuming this as a real part u. So to find that ux first, that is differentiate with x with respect to x partially. So what do we get? Cos x will be a constant, so we get only e power x into cos y, where y will become 0, and uy will become 1 minus e power x is a constant into derivative of cos y is sin y. And we know that f dash of z is ux plus ivx, where vx is minus uy. So we get ux minus iuy, or e power x cos y minus I times of 1 minus e power x into sin y. Put x is z and y is 0, we get f dash of z is e power z minus I. On integration with respect to z, f of z is integral of e power z minus I into dz plus c. So f of z is e power z minus iz plus the constant. Next, if f of z is u of r comma theta plus iv of r comma theta is analytic, and given u plus v is 1 by r square into cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta where r not equals to 0. Determine the analytic function f of z. That is, in the previous problem we have done the Cartesian, now we are doing the polar. So u plus v is 1 by r square cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. Differentiating with respect to r partially, ur plus vr is minus 2 by r cube of cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. Let us call this as equation 1. Differentiating with respect to theta partially, u theta plus v theta is equal to 1 by r square into minus 2 sin 2 theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. Call this as equation number 2. From the CR equations, we have ur is 1 by r v theta and vr is minus 1 by r u theta. So equation 2 implies rvr plus rur is minus 2 by r square into sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. This implies ur minus vr is equals to minus 2 by r cube into sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. Let us call this as 3. And solving the equation 1 and 3, we get ur plus vr is equals to minus 2 by r cube cos 2 theta plus 2 by r cube sin 2 theta. ur minus vr is equals to minus 2 by r cube cos 2 theta minus 2 by r cube sin 2 theta. This implies 2 ur is equals to minus u by r cube into cos 2 theta, or ur is equals to 2 by r cube cos 2 theta. This is 4 5. So similarly, vr is given by minus 2 by r cube cos 2 theta plus 2 by r cube sin 2 theta minus ur, or vr is equals to, that is on substitution and simplification, 2 by r cube into sin 2 theta. We know that f dash of z is e power minus I theta into ur plus ivr. So e power minus I theta into minus 2 by r cos 2 theta plus I into 2 by r cube sin 2 theta. Now let us put r is equals to z and theta equals to 0. We get f dash of z is e power 0 into minus 2 by z cube cos theta plus I into 2 by r cube into sin 0. That gives us minus 2 by r cube. On integration with respect to z, f of z is minus 2 into integral 1 by r cube z dz. That is minus 2 into 1 by minus 2z square plus c, or f of z is minus 1 by z square plus the constant. Thank you.